500 and we turn it on. Start the drill. $2,200. Okay, so as you see, it didn't stall this time, but I got a lot of burn marks here. Okay, third time a charm. Let's put 900. Okay, so you see it still has a hard time, but the hole is actually, you know, a good hole. There's nothing to complain about here. Everything's fine now. Let's try something more normal, like, you know, a 10mm drill bit in just a normal piece of wood like a pine. I really love how this tightens very tight. You can probably see this laser is off by probably 2mm or something. And this hold down is a very nice accessory. It's really convenient. I like it, even though 900 RPM. Well, the hole is there, but the drill definitely still had a hard time. So at the end of the day, I'm keeping this drill press. I'm probably not going to use the laser pointer, but just to go over, you know, good and bad parts. This chuck is very nice. This hold down is good. The small footprint is great. The mechanisms on the back, the spring and the depth gauge are good. Everything is well oiled. And the controls are basic but working. There's no nonsense display. There's really no need for a display on such a drill. And the electronics, I hope it's simple so it doesn't break like on my previous Shepak drill. The bad parts are that on low RPM it's basically unusable. You just cannot drill anything. So on the middle it goes RPMs, it goes up and down as you try to drill through things. And then on high RPM you have high chances of burning your material, so that's not good either. So it's at 500. And let's see how much power it actually uses. Now at maximum RPM. So based on this completely non-scientific test, I'd say this is a 100-watt drill when it's used at 500 RPM and a 300-watt drill when it's used at maximum RPM. So I don't know where they got this 700-watt number that's in the spec for this drill. I'm using this drill for 1.5 months already, and it shows no sign of breaking down, falling apart. I'm actually rather happy with it, and I'm not considering selling it or buying anything else, because I don't think there's something so small out there. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.